can email him too.
Kind of hook around the front and I'll pull you around. That won't work. It'll go underneath. Right there.
No, I think it'll work right.
Yeah, it'll pull you.
What could go wrong?
Underneath.
It's not working.
Hang on.
There.
No, I got it. Make him go backwards.
Come on, 50 seconds.
Hey,
Wait, he didn't do this.
you
Yeah.
gotta start like you're on a ski hill.
You gotta do this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, okay doesn't work.
Ah, no, it's just pulling me sideways.
Yeah.
You gotta go that way. You gotta be facing the right way. You're facing the bushes. I can't turn. I don't have legs. Okay.
Come on. Yeah. Oh, he's no fun. You actually can't steer it. I was going outside of the wake, if you will. And
Yeah. He was saying if you kick and like move your hips, you could sort of steer it. You can kick the back end out.
Take it to bottom. Just turn the key. Yeah. Turn the key like that. You done riding for a while? Yeah, probably should. You know how to start it now? You gotta push the brake in real hard. Pull the brake real hard, and then you can hit the starter. There you go. You're good.
Oh, let's get a 20 times zoom in this.
I still want to see him swinging into the pond.
He was talking about starting him in the pond and then pulling him out, so you get extra little water lubrication on the bottom.